So it is 10:15. We just got on the Magical Express. Our flight was I slept, so it wasn't too bad, you know. So we're sitting on the Magical Express. We're heading over to Saratoga Springs. So we'll see you there. Good morning. We made it to the resort. My mom's still getting ready.
Hey!
Mind you, she was ready before we left the house.
Just touching up.
Her touch-up took longer than my actual makeup. So I figured while she's doing that, we could do a room tour. We are staying at Saratoga Springs Resort just for the one evening. We'll be gone tomorrow. But they were so nice, they upgraded us to a 1-bedroom, which was really cool. So, starting off, this is the master bedroom. It's got the really huge bed and the TV. We also got a cool chair and the lamp. And then this really big mirror. We also have, this is the master bathroom, or the only bathroom technically. And then there's like 4 rooms to this bathroom. So I got the huge tub, which has the opening doors there. What's in here? This is the toilet?
Closet.
Oh, closet with tons of closet space, which is really cool. Oh my God, you're a mess. Then we also have the really huge shower and this mirror and sink. And then in here we have the bathroom or the toilet with really cute little Saratoga Springs picture frames. It's awesome. And this is the main lobby area, which has the kitchen, tons of cabinet space, the fridge, really cute stove, my cell phone, a TV, which I believe that is a pull-out couch. And then we also have a chair there and a really cute, like, farmy lamp. Love this. And a cute little table and chair set up with another mirror. So you're looking at yourself 24/7. Yeah. There's like 4 mirrors in this room.
Right?
And then there's this really cute mural. And this is the entry room. Really cool. I would assume this is the heater or the air conditioning. And then I believe that's adjoining room. And then this is our exit. So cool. So my mom left her liquids at home. So her body wash, her setting spray, all of that is at home. Thankfully though, they have body wash or wash in the in soap and stuff in the room. So we're gonna go look at some gingerbread houses. That'll be a lot of fun.
Is your phone charged?
34%.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we're gonna go look at some gingerbread houses at the resorts. So we'll see you there. So this is my mom's OOTD. She's wearing, you're gonna tell them?
A black t-shirt that Jesse and I made. It has a silhouette of Elsa in pink, white glitter, as well as the white glitter snowflake on the back.
It's really cute.
My shorts are from Old Navy.
Okay.
And of course I have good old Skechers sneakers.
And what's on your head?
Oh, rose gold ears and a rose gold backpack.
Woo!
Such a beautiful day out today.
So nice, right?
Oh, look, Jess, look at the steeple. Did you get it?
The what?
The steeple.
What's the steeple?
It's like a building.
Oh.
Beautiful white building over the fountain.
Oh, I see it. So cute. So we're going to head to Magic Kingdom, and there's our bus. Wave goodbye. We'll see you later, Magic Kingdom bus.
Little. What did I do to my teeth? What is this one?
Just like a...
I like that one.
Like the witch?
I like the witch.
Her sister was a witch.
And what was her sister?
A witch.
No, a princess. The Wicked Witch of the East, bro.
Pounds of royal icing.
Wait, what do they do in the video? That's so cool, honestly.
It smells delicious.
Let's see what they look like though. Oh,
The men are so
good.
cute.
That looks good. Look at the trees. The gingerbread men.
Oh, those are cute.
A Linzer cookie.
Oh, that's cute.
That looks good. What is that one?
This is a chocolate chip pecan cookie.
And then this is if you
Like
want
the
a shingle.
which is stupid, but it's cool.
It's a gingerbread if you like gingerbread, right?
Like you're taking a piece off the house.
NSAT cookies. Oh, is that a pin? That's a nice one.
Oh, how cute is that?
It's a limited edition.
This mug is adorable.
Of how many? Doesn't say.
Look, Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, those are cute.
A little package.
Those are really cute. I like this. Oh, it has
This is nice. Look.
Oh, it's a kit, so you can make your own
yeah.
gingerbread cookies at home.
Little coffee mug.
So, Mom, they have some numbers trivia, so let's do that real quick. It says, how many stepsisters does Cinderella have?
2.
Okay. How many wishes can the genie grant if you rub the
3.
lamp? What experiment number is Stitch?
4. I totally guess because I don't know that one.
626.
66. Okay.
Yeah.
How many thingamabobs does Ariel have? I have I got.
You want thingamabobs?
I got 20. I needed to sing the song. How many eggs does a Gaston eat every morning?
Oh, you got this.
2 dozen.
No, 5 dozen.
5 dozen.
Because he's roughly the size of a barge. And how old is Mama Odie? Oh, I don't know this
100.
one. You think 100? You never even seen the movie. Acting like you know. I believed you.
She looked old.
I believed you. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's a hot cocoa, right?
It really is cute. Little peppermint candy.
Those are really cute. Oh, an advent calendar.
You're already a weekend.
Milk chocolate. I know, we're already a weekend. I gotta eat the milk chocolate that day.
What?
I love the patches. Part of me wants to get a jean jacket just so I can put the patches on it. Like I'd put this right in the back in the middle.
Yeah.
Right? They really like hopped on that train for the Etsy sellers. Ooh, doesn't turn that way. Oh, Mom, you can put this on the back of your car. Chewy is my co-pilot. Is that like, would that be a heavy patch? That's the real question.
No.
You don't think so? Oh, no. I love this backpack. Every time I see it, I always want it. This one too.
Oh my God.
Gonna catch the monorail? Head over to Grand Floridian?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta get something.
Oh yeah, I'm getting real hungry. Where do you want to stop?
Hey, let's check out the Contempo Cafe. Isn't this the way they always say they have the great cupcakes?
Oh yeah,
Isn't this that here?
I think so. The Contempo Cafe, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Let's go. So right now, we're just sitting down at the Contempo Cafe after we visited the gingerbread house here. I ordered a spicy chicken sandwich with no tomato, and you ordered
Spicy chicken sandwich with tomato.
this tart is really good. Does the bottom have chocolate on it?
Yes, it holds it in place.
Oh, on the actual plate.
So it didn't spin around.
Yeah, it's good. I really liked it.
Like the sponge cake has a little anisette taste in it.
It has what?
It tastes like anisette.
What's that?
It's kind of like a cordial.
I still don't know what that is.
Like a flavoring.
Okay.
But it's, it kind of cuts the custardy, the sweetness of the custard. It's good.
Wow. And then look, can't really see it from here, but Santa's up at the top. Santa! I know him! They're real?
Yeah.
Oh. So pretty. What do you think?
It's beautiful. I love it.
You gotta look here, Mom. This is the camera.
Oh, where do I look?
What do you think? Still chewing? So I got peppermint bark, the half-pound bag of peppermint bark, and my mom got the gingerbread man.
I just ate his head. It's good. Great with tea.
Oh.
If you like gingerbread, soft.
Yeah.
It's not hard. Not too sweet. Got a little spice.
Nice. That's really good. I know you don't like peppermint bark, but try it.
I don't like it. It's just not my favorite thing.
I have chocolate on my teeth. Try it.
Oops.
You tried my bag wrong?
Yeah, no, well, it fell. Jesus Christ.
What do you think?
Tastes like a thin mint.
Which is exactly why I like it.